Can AI replace the job of a graphic designer? AI is creating logos, posters, and artworks in seconds. But does that mean graphic designers are becoming obsolete? Or is AI just a tool and not a replacement? Let's find out. Section 1. What AI can do in graphic design. Artificial intelligence has changed the design world fast. Today, AI can generate logos, social media posts, thumbnails, illustrations, and even full branding kits. Examples: auto logo generators, background removal in seconds, AI color palettes and layouts, instant image creation from text. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Section 2. Why people think AI will replace designers. Many people believe AI will replace graphic designers because it is faster, cheaper, available 24/7, easy for beginners. Businesses want quick results, and AI delivers speed. Section 3. What AI cannot replace. But here's the truth. AI has limits. AI cannot understand human emotions deeply, create original ideas from life experiences, think strategically for a brand, communicate with clients effectively. Design is not just visuals, it's problem-solving, storytelling, and emotion. Section 4. The role of human creativity. Great design comes from understanding people, culture, and purpose. A logo isn't just a shape, it's a brand's identity. AI copies patterns. Designers create meaning. Section 5. The future. AI plus graphic designers. AI will not replace graphic designers, but designers who use AI will replace those who don't. Future designers will use AI to speed up work, focus on creativity and strategy, deliver better results faster. AI is a powerful assistant, not a competitor. Question is, so can AI replace graphic designers? No, but it can transform how designers work. If you're a graphic designer, don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, and grow with it. What do you think? Can AI replace creativity? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more design and tech content.